Well, people, this is the aftermath of fucking the 2013 blizzard in New England. Fucking horse shit, huh? Look at this shit. I can't even get down to the end of my driveway. The snow is fucking waist high. The only good thing is I don't have cars to dig out because I got a garage. I don't like these guys next door to me. Today is February 9th, 2013. 35 years and 3 days from the New England blizzard of '78. Looks like we got an anniversary of that. There's some kids playing down there. Well, I'm going to end this video because I got to get back to digging. At least try to make a path to get one of my vehicles out of the garage. But I've been on this now an hour. So, alright. Rate, comment. Let me know if you're experiencing the same thing right now. Alright, peace.